Hello students, today we will read the last chapter on trigonometry. Okay, so here we learn trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. So we have already learned about complementary angles. So what is complementary angles? So first, what is complementary angle? We will remember what is complementary angle. Okay, complementary angle. So if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they said to be complementary angle. Okay, complementary angle. So if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they said to be complementary angle. Okay, suppose two acquired angle is 30 degree and 60 degree, then they are said to be complementary. Complementary as 30 plus 60 equals to 90 degree. Okay, let's take another example. So x degree and 90 minus x degree are complementary as x degree plus 90 minus x degree. Here plus x minus x, now this vanish, then we get 90 degree. So they are said to be complementary angle. Okay, now third example, for angle 48 degree, then its complementary angle, is 90 minus 48 degree. So this is 42 degree. Okay, for 48 degree, for this angle, its complementary angle is 90 minus 48. Okay, this is 42 degree. So now in this chapter we will learn trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Okay, first we see the complementary angle for sine and cosine. So complementary angle of sine and cosine. Okay, now we draw a triangle. This is a triangle and this angle is 90 degree, right angle. Okay, now ABC is a triangle. Okay, if we take this angle theta, then this angle will be 90 minus theta, because we know the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. So if this angle is 90, then this is theta. We let already this is theta and this is 90 minus theta. So the sum of three angles is 180. So this will be 90 minus theta. So here you see, consider ABC is a triangle. Okay, so here B angle is 90 degree and ACV angle is here theta and BAC angle is 90 minus theta. Okay, so then you see sin theta equals to sine of theta ACV angle, sine of ACB angle. So we already know sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here you see this angle is theta, then its opposite angle AB, its opposite side AB is perpendicular. So here we can write sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is here the opposite angle of 90 degree, then this is AC. Okay, this is 1. And for cos of 90 minus theta, you see here cos 90 minus theta BAC angle. Okay, cos of BAC angle. So if we take this angle, then its opposite side is perpendicular. So here BC perpendicular, AP is base and AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so here we know cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse. So here base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So this is 2. So from 1 and 2, we get, so here AB by AC and here AB by AC, this is sin theta equals to cos of 90 minus theta. So here we can write sin theta equals to cos of 90 minus theta. Similarly we can write cos theta equals to sin of 90 minus theta. Okay, then now we can see the complementary angle of tan theta and cot theta. Okay, so you see the complementary angle of tan theta and cot, angle of tan and cot. Okay, so you see now we draw a triangle. This is a triangle, so this is 90 degree, this is A, V and C. Here this is theta angle and this is 90 minus theta. Okay, so this is 90 minus theta. Then first we consider ABC is a triangle. Then we can write here, consider ACV equals to theta angle BAC is 90 minus theta. Okay, so we can write then tan of theta equals to tan of ACB angle. Okay, tan theta ACB angle. We already know tan theta equals to perpendicular by base. Okay, perpendicular by base. So here you see, let's suppose this angle theta, so the opposite side of this angle is perpendicular. So here perpendicular AB and base is here BC. So this is 1. Now for cot theta, so here cot of 90 minus theta equals to cot of BAC. So we know cot theta equals to base by perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. Here base is AB and perpendicular is BC. So this is 2. Now from 1 and 2 we get tan theta equals to cot of 90 minus theta. Okay, similarly we can write cot theta equals to tan of 90 minus theta. So now let's take an example. Tan of 90 minus 50, we can write cot of 50 degree. Okay, so you know tan theta equals to cot of 90 minus theta, or cot theta equals to tan of 90 minus theta. So tan of 90 minus 50 equals to cot theta, means cot 50 degree. Okay, now we see the complementary angle of cosec and sec. Now complementary angle of cosec and sec. Okay, so now we draw a triangle. AVC is a triangle and this is theta angle, this is 90 minus theta angle. Okay, now we can write here, consider a triangle AVC and ACV equals to theta and BAC equals to 90 minus theta. Okay, so here you see sec theta equals to sec of ACB. Okay, so you know sec theta equals to hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. Okay, so here hypotenuse AC and for this angle theta base is here BC. So this is 1. Now for cosec theta, cosec of 90 minus theta, so this is cosec of 90 minus theta. For this, here cosec theta we know perpendicular, hypotenuse by perpendicular. Okay, so here for this angle perpendicular is BC and cosec 90 minus theta, a BAC angle, BAC angle. Okay, so here you see cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular, hypotenuse by perpendicular. Okay, so here hypotenuse is AC, and for this angle 90 minus theta, the perpendicular will be BC. Okay, so this is 2. From 1 and 2 we get, sec theta equals to cosec of 90 minus theta, and cosec theta equals to sec of 90 minus theta. Okay, we got here, first we got sin theta equals to cos of 90 minus theta, and cos theta equals to, we can write sin 90 minus theta, and tan theta equals to cot of 90 minus theta, and cot theta equals to tan of 90 minus theta, and cosec theta equals to sec of 90 minus theta, and sec theta equals to cosec of 90 minus theta. Okay, now let's start the exercise 25. Okay, so we will see the first question. So first question, you see, evaluate cos of 22 degree by sine of 68 degree. Okay, so here we can write cos of 22 equals to 90 minus 68. So by sine of 68 degree, so cos of 90 minus 68, cos 90 minus theta, we can write sin theta, so sine of 68 degree, so sine by sine of 68 degree, so we can get 1. Okay, now second question, tan of 47 degree by cot of 43 degree, so we can write tan of 90 minus 43 degree by cot of 43 degree, so here cot of 43 degree by cot of 43 degree. Okay, so this is 1. Now third question, sec of 75 degree by cosec of 15 degree, so we can write sec of 90 minus 15 equals to 75 degree, so by cosec of, so sec 90 minus 15 degree, we know cosec of 15 degree by cosec of 15 degree. Okay, so this is 1. Now 4, cos of 55 degree by sine of 35 degree plus cot of 35 degree by tan of 55 degree. Okay, so we can write cos 55, so this is cos of 90 minus 35 equals to 55, that's okay, so by sine of 35 degree plus cot of 90 minus 55 is 35 degree by tan of 55 degree. So cos 90 minus 35, we can write sine of 35 degree by sine of 35 degree, plus this is, we can write tan of 55 degree by tan of 55 degree. So this is 1 plus this is 1, so we can write this is 2. Okay, now question number 5. Sine square 40 degree minus cos square 50 degree. Okay, so we can write sine 90 minus 50 is sine 40 degree whole square, total whole square. Okay, minus cos square 50 degree. So this is sine 90 minus 50, this will be cos of 50 degree, so cos square 50 degree minus cos square 50 degree, this is 0. Question number 6, you see sec square 80 degree minus cos square 72 degree. Okay, so you see sec 18 means 90 minus 72 degree, so this is sec square 18 sec 90 minus 72 whole square minus cos square 72 degree. So you know sec 90 minus 72 degree means cosec square 72 degree minus cosec square 72 degree equals to 0. Now question number 7. Sine 15 cos of 15 minus cos of 75 sine of 75. So here sine 15 we can write 90 minus 75. Okay, cos 90 minus 75 degree minus cos of 75 degree sine of 75 degree. So sine 90 minus 75 we can write cos of 75, and cos 90 minus 75 we can write sine of 75 degree minus cos of 75 degree sine of 75 degree, so this is 0. Question number 8, you see sine of 42 degree sine of 48 degree minus cos of 42 degree cos of 48 degree. Okay, so you see sine of 42 degree we can write sine 90 minus 48 sine of 48 sine of 90 minus 42 degree minus cos of 42 degree cos of 48 degree. Okay, so sine 90 minus 48 degree cos of 48 degree, so here cos of 42 degree minus cos of 42 degree cos of 48 degree, so this is 0. Now question number 2, evaluate this. Okay, so sine of 90 minus a sine a minus cos of 90 minus a cos a, so this is equals to sine 90 minus a means we can write cos a sine a minus cos 90 minus a sine a cos a, so this is 0. Okay, 2 sine square 35 degree minus cos square 55 degree. Okay, so sin 35 degree we can write 90 minus 55, sin 90 minus 55 whole square minus cos square 55 degree. So this is cos of 55, cos square 55 degree minus cos square 55 degree equals to 0. So question number 3, cot 54 degree by tan 36 degree plus tan of 20 degree by cot of 70 degree minus 2. Okay, so here we can write cot of 90 minus 36 degree by tan of 36 degree plus tan of 20 we can write tan 20 90 minus 70 by cot of 70 degree minus 2. Okay, so this is tan 36 degree by tan 36 degree plus this is cot 70 degree by cot 70 degree minus 2. Okay, so tan 36 degree divided by tan 36 degree equals to 1 plus cot 70 by cot 70, 1 minus 2. So this is 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now question number 4, 2 tan 53 degree by cot of 37 degree minus cot of 80 degree by cot tan of 10 degree. Okay, so we can write 2 tan 53 90 minus 37 degree by cot of 37 degree minus cot of 90 minus 10 degree by tan of 10 degree. So we can write 2 tan 90 minus 37 degree cot of 37 degree by cot of 37 degree. So minus this is tan of 10 degree by tan of 10 degree. So this is 2 minus 1. So this is 1. Now question number 5. Cos square 25 degree minus sin square 65 degree minus tan square 45 degree. So we can write cos 90 minus 65 degree whole square minus sin square 65 degree. Tan 45 we know already 1, its value is 1. So we can write cos 90 minus 65 sin 65 degree, sin square 65 minus sin square 65 degree minus 1. So we can get minus 1. Okay, so question number 6, sin 77 degree by cos of 13 degree whole square plus cos 77 degree by sin of 13 degree, this is whole square, minus 2 cos square 45 degree. Okay, so this will be, we can write here sin 90 minus 13 degree by cos of 13 degree, this whole square, plus cos of 90 minus 13 degree by sin of 13 degree, its whole square, minus 2 into, we know cos 45 is 1 by root 2, its square. Okay, so we can write cos 13 by cos 13 square plus, we can write sin 13 by sin 13 whole square minus 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, so this is 1 plus this 1 minus 2 divided by 2 is 1, then we get 1. Okay, now question number 3. So show that tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, okay, tan 80 degree equals to 1. Okay, so here we have to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, so here left hand side is given tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, tan of 80 degree. So we can write here tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, 75 we can write tan 90 minus 15, tan 90 minus 10, okay, equals to 80. So we can write tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 90 minus 15 we can write cot of 15 degree, cot of 10 degree. So we can write tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, cot 15 we know 1 by tan 15. So this is tan 1 by tan 10 degree. So tan 10 degree, tan 10 degree out, and tan 15 degree by tan 15 degree. Okay, so this will be 1. Now second question. So this is right hand side proof. Second question, sin sec 48 degree plus cos of 42 degree cosec 48 degree. So here left hand side is this, and we have to prove this is equals to 2 right hand side. Okay, so we can write sine of 90 minus 48 is sine 42, sec of 90 minus 42 is sec 48 plus cos of 42 degree. So this is cosec of 48 degree. So we can write sin 90 minus 48 cos of 48. Okay, and sec 90 minus 42 is cosec of here we do not change this term, this will be same 42, and this is sec 90 minus 42 cosec of 42 degree. Okay, now we change this term, this is 90 minus 42. Okay, so we can write here plus cos of 42 degree cosec 90 minus 42 sec 42. So here you see, so this is sine of 42 degree. So we can write sine 42, and we know cosec 42 is 1 by sine 42 plus cos of 42 degree. Sec 42 is cos of sec 42 is 1 by cos of 42. So we get this one, cos 42 divided by cos 42 is 1, so this is 2. Okay, this is right hand side proved. So now we see question number 4. Express each of the following in terms of angle between 0 and 45 degree. So sine 59 degree plus tan of 63 degree. Here theta value lies between 0 to 45, 0 degree to 45. Theta lies between 0 and 45. So here we convert 59 between 0 and 45 range. Okay, so sine, we can write sine 59 90 minus 31 degree plus tan of 90 minus 27 degree. Okay, so 90 minus 31 59, and 90 minus 27 63 degree. So this is cos of 31 degree plus we can write this cot of 27 degree. Okay, so this range lies between 0 to 45. Okay, so here we can write, here we express this term of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, this term of angle between 0 to 45 degree. Now question number 2, cosec 68 degree plus cot of 72 degree. So we can write cosec of 90 minus 22 is 68 plus cot of 90 minus 18 degree. So we can write sec of 22 degree plus this is, we can write tan of 18 degree. So here we express this term of angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, so now question number 3, cos 74 degree plus sec of 67 degree. So we can write cos 90 minus 16, okay, plus sec of 90 minus 23 degree. Okay, so we can write this sine of 16 degree plus cosec of 23 degree. So this is the term of angle between 0 to 45. Okay, now question number 5. You see, for triangle ABC, show that sine of A plus B by 2 equals to cos of C by 2. Okay, so now we know already the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Okay, so here we need A plus B only, so this is 180 minus C. So here we put the value of a plus b. So first here left hand side is sine of a plus b by 2. Okay, now we put the value of a plus b is 180 minus c by 2. So sine of 180 by 2 minus c by 2. So this is sine of 90 minus c by 2. So we already know sine of 90 minus c by 2, we can write cos of c by 2. So this is right hand side. Okay, proof. Now second question, tan of b plus c by 2, so that tan of b plus c by 2 is cot of a by 2. So b plus c is here, b plus c equals to 180 minus a, you can write here. So now left hand side is tan of b plus c by 2, so you can write 180 minus a by 2. So tan, this is tan 90 minus a by 2, so we can write cot of a by 2. This is right hand side. Proof. Now question number 6, evaluate this term. Okay, sine of 72 degree by cos of 18 degree minus sec of 32 degree by cosec of 58 degree. Okay, so we can write 3 into sine of 90 minus 18 by cos of 18 degree minus sec of 90 minus 58 degree by cosec of 58 degree. Okay, so we can write 3 cos of 18 degree by cos of 18 degree minus, this is cosec 58 degree by cosec of 58 degree. So this term cos 18 by cos 18 is 1, then 3 into 1 minus, this is 1 cosec 58 by cosec 58, so this is 2. Okay, now question number 2, 3 cos of 80 cosec of 10 degree plus 2 sin 59 degree sec 31 degree equals to 3, we can write cos 90 minus 10 degree cosec of 10 degree plus 2 sin 90 minus 31 degree sec of 31 degree. So you can write cos 90 minus 10 sin 10 degree. Okay, and cosec 10 is 1 by sin 10, we know, plus 2 cos of 31 degree and sec 31, we know, 1 by cos of 31 degree. So this term is 3, this term is 2, so this is 5. Now question number 3. Okay, 3 sin 80 by cos of 10 degree plus sin 59 degree sec of 31 degree. Okay, so we can write sin 90 minus 10 by cos of 10 degree plus sin 90 minus 31 degree sec of 31 degree. Okay, so you can write this term cos of 10 degree by cos of 10 degree plus sin 90 minus 31, we can write cos 31 degree into sec 31 degree. So this term is 1 plus this is cos 31 by cos of 31. Sec 31 is 1 by cos 31. So this is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, this is 2. Now question number 4. See, tan 55 minus a minus cot of 35 plus a. Okay, so here you see tan, we can write tan 90 minus 35 plus a. Okay, minus cot of 35 degree plus a. So tan 90 minus 35 plus a is 55 minus a. 90 minus 35 is 55. So minus plus is minus a. Okay, that's okay. So we can write this term cot of 35 degree plus a minus cot of 35 degree plus a. So this is 0. 5. Question number 5. Cosec of 65 plus a minus sec of 25 degree minus a. Okay, so we can write cosec of 90 degree minus 25 minus a. Okay, minus sec of 25 minus a. So here we can write this term sec of 25 minus a minus sec of 25 degree minus a. So this is 0. So question number 6. 2 tan 57 degree by cot of 33 degree minus cot of 70 degree by tan of 20 degree minus root 2 cos of 45 degree. Okay, so 2 tan of 57, we can write 90 minus 33. Okay, so by cot of 33 degree minus cot of 90 minus 20 by tan of 20 degree minus root 2 into cos 45 degree, we know 1 by root 2. Okay, so this term is cot of 33 degree by cot of 33 degree minus tan 20 by tan 20. So minus 1. Root 2 by root 2 is 1. So this term is 2 minus 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Now question number 7. Cot square 41 degree by tan square 49 degree minus 2 sin square 75 degree by cos square 15 degree. Okay, so we can write cot square 90 minus 49 degree by tan square 49 degree minus 2 sin square this term is 90 minus 15. Okay, this square term by cos square 15 degree. So here we can write cot 90 minus 49 is tan square 49 degree. Okay, so by tan square 49 degree minus 2, you can write cos square 15 degree by cos square 15 degree. So this term is 1, this is 2, this is minus 1. 7 completed to 7. Now question number 8. Okay, cos of 70 by sine of 20 degree plus cos of 59 degree by sine of 31 degree minus 8 sine square 30 degree. Okay, so we can write cos of 90 minus 20 by sine 20 plus cos of 90 minus 31 by sine of 31 minus 8 sine square 30 degree. We know sine 30 is 1 by 2 square. Okay, so cos 90 minus 20 sine of 20 by sine of 20 plus sine of 31 by sine of 31 minus 8, this is 1 by 4. So this term is 1, this term is 1, minus 8 divided by 4 is 2, so this is 2. So 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now question number 9. (14 sine 30 degree plus 6 cos of 60 degree minus 5 tan of 45 degree. Okay, we know sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 minus tan 45 is 1. So this term is 14 by 2 7, 6 by 2 3 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 equals to 5. Okay, now question number 7. A triangle ABC is right angle at B. Find the value of this term. Okay, so here first we draw a triangle. So this is the triangle. Okay, so this is the triangle. Okay, so this angle B is right angle. So this is the angle B. Okay, here ABC is a right angle. ABC is a right angle triangle, or you can write triangle ABC is a right angle. Okay, at B. So at V angle, so here we can write this is right angle triangle at this is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle, and here right angle is B, right angle at B. Okay, so now find the we have to find the value of this term. So sec A sin C minus tan of A into tan of C by sine of B. Okay, so here we can write sec A and sine C. Here you see angle A plus 90 degree plus angle C. The sum of three angles of triangle is 180. So this is 180. So here A plus C equals to 90 degree. Okay, we can write. So here you see sine of C angle 90 minus A. Okay, minus tan of A, tan C we can write 90 minus A by sine of B. Okay, so we can write sec A sine 90 minus A cos of A minus tan 90 minus A cot A. Okay, by sine of B. So here we can write sec A 1 by cos A. So cos A by cos A minus tan A, we can write tan A cot A 1 by tan A. So this is 1 by tan A. So sine V. So cos A by cos A 1 minus 1 by sine B, it will be 0. Okay. So now question number 8. One in each case given below, find the value of angle A where 0 degree the angle A lies between 0 to 90 degree. Okay. So here you see first question, sine of 90 minus 3A into cosec of 42 degree equals to 1. Okay, so we can write here sine 90 minus 3A, we can write cos of 3A. Now we can write this term, we are shifting cosec 42 1 by cosec 42 on the right hand side. Okay, now cos of 3A, we can write 1 by cosec 42 degree is sine 42. Okay, so sine 42 we can write sine 90 minus 48 degree. So we can write this term cos of 48 degree. So we can write 3A equals to 48 degree. So A equals to 48 degree by 3. So this will be 16 degree. Okay. Now question number 2. You see cos of 90 minus A sec into sec of 77 degree equals to 1. Or imply we can write this term sine A. So we are shifting sec 77 on the right hand side, we can write 1 by sec of 77 degree. So this is cos of 77. Okay, so we can write cos of 90 minus 13. Okay, 7 is 77, so we can write sine of 13 degree. So sine A equals to sine of 13 degree. So this implies A equals to 13 degree.